Alright, so I got the conduit laid out, so when I get my saw cutter here, he'll know exactly where he's got to go. Just going to follow that existing cut, and he'll dig out and haul off any of the extra stuff. And then I'm going to actually take this 1 inch that I was showing you earlier and use these reducers to go down from 1/2 inch, and I'll just go in the actual coupling right there, and then my probe will go here, and that should be pretty much just that simple. Alright, so here's kind of what the final product looks like. I got a cap on the end, the probe is there, and then I got a 1 inch to 3/4, 3/4 to 1/2 inch reducer, 45, and then I got another 45 right there, and got it pulled up to here. So I'll just add some seal tight on top of that and tie it in. Nice clean cut done by Texas Rock. That's what the old probe looks like. So the backer rod, and there's the probe. Take this back to the shop and see what it does.